So Amazon recently slashed affiliate rates and the internet has been freaking out. Some of them are really dramatic and it's funny. Well, okay, it's not funny, but the funny thing is that Amazon Associates should only be one part of your affiliate marketing business in the first place. You shouldn't be fully reliant on that. If you are fully reliant on that, then you've been missing a huge part of the puzzle and you're missing out on so much money. There's way better alternatives out there, including one I'm going to talk about in this video. So Amazon has slashed affiliate rates and the internet is exploding and people are freaking out and it's the end of affiliate marketing. Literally, that's one of the headlines, the end of affiliate marketing. Guys, Amazon didn't create affiliate marketing, okay? It's been around since before Amazon. All of the big time people covered this, and I watched a lot of the videos, and I noticed something consistent throughout 99% of the big time affiliate marketers' videos, is that they're really just suggesting that you do more of the same. They're pointing to affiliate programs like Target and Walmart, or going after boutique stores or smaller companies, and it's literally more of the same. It's still really low ticket commission. Sure, get going with one of those so you have an alternative, but again, even if you do completely flip-flop from Amazon over to Target or Walmart, that should just be replacing the one portion of your business. If your business is going to be dependent on Target, then you're just setting yourself up for the same insane failure. The other things they were suggesting were things like having multiple streams of income, creating courses, creating products, just doing things that start to become non-affiliate marketing. And multiple streams of income is a no-brainer. If you're not already incorporating that in your business, you're not doing affiliate marketing to the maximum potential. But this is not a big deal. You shouldn't be panicking. You should be preparing, but you shouldn't be panicking because there are way better programs out there and ones that earn you high ticket commissions. So Amazon, Target, Walmart, honestly, it's small potatoes fighting for pennies. Why would you waste all your time and energy doing that when you can potentially make $1,000 commissions off of one lead or sale? So you should not waste your time hustling small ticket items. And I know this from very painful past experience. In fact, this is what held me back and kept me from being successful in affiliate marketing for years. I would waste all my time and energy on some small ticket opportunity, and if I didn't get it right, I wouldn't make any money at all, and it just gave me a really bad impression of what affiliate marketing was, and I never saw success at first. And any success I did see wasn't enough to quit my day job. It wasn't enough to be anything substantial, because I was hustling small ticket items for tiny percentages. Then of course there's ClickBank, and that's a whole different story, but honestly, a lot of those offers are awful. Like, they're terrible, and if you're trying to give people terrible offers, like, you're just really ruining your name and your brand, and again, you're making it harder on yourself to be successful. Anyone who's doing 6 figures with affiliate marketing is not relying solely on Amazon Associates, and if they are huge. They've got a massive following already, and it's just the sheer volume of traffic that allows them to do that. So if you want to quit your day job, if you want to do this full time, you really need to pay attention to the opportunity I'm talking about in this video. And what's even more exciting about it is that even though enough of the big time players are onto it to know it's legit, not all of them are onto it yet. So there's still time for you to get in before the curve, before the hockey stick like curve that explodes exponentially, and you wish you had ridden that wave. You have a chance to get in now and ride the wave when it takes off. What usually happens when beginners try to go after high ticket commissions is they're not skilled salesmen. So it takes a lot more convincing to sell a high ticket item. What's so cool about this program is it's set up so that beginners get to promote high ticket items while doing nothing but sharing their experience from zero. You make the commission, they do most of the work. And this works because they're an online based company. So their overhead is way less. They don't have brick and mortar stores. They don't have water and electricity bills. They can afford to pay their affiliates way higher rates because every new customer is worth so much more to them. So even though you're making a really good commission, they're making money too. So it's actually a really good business model that works for both parties. And what happens when you're really doing well and making money at something and they're treating you well? You not only believe in that, but you go out and you do 10 times a better job for them because they helped you. It creates a feeling of reciprocity. So honestly, do yourself a favor. Go try this right now. Like, you literally have nothing to lose. It's free to sign up, and this could totally change your life. It's still a blue ocean. Not everybody has gotten there yet, so you can still be one of the first to get there and experience the explosion. Like, how would it feel to see that success? I mean, it would kind of be like investing in Apple or Google way back in the day before it blew up. So please don't waste any more time. Take action today. Do yourself a favor. Click on the first link in the description, Create Money VIP. You're gonna see my big face talking about all the great things it's done for me. And if you found this video valuable, smash the like button or tell me how much you hate it in the comments. Cheers, guys.